How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best adult apps on your Firestick device. The ones which are totally free to use and that can be easily set up on any Amazon Firestick device. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. And you can get Downloader free of charge. To do so, just go to search, and in the search bar you need to start typing Downloader in your search bar. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So just click on it. And now here's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after you've got Downloader, it's actually not over yet because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up Downloader on the Firestick, you will have to go to settings on your device. So you click that button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And in here, you will have to turn on developer options on the Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make one appear. All you have to do is go to About, select Fire TV, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available on your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV device, open it up, wait a moment, and then here's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to France right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV device. Here it is, open it. And then when it loads, we head straight into Downloader. So open Downloader as well. And now here, right there in that search bar, we'll be entering the codes. So now the first code we'll be entering will be 647 and then 190. So once again, it's 647190. That is the first code we are using. Click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way you will get even more content about Fire TV sticks. And now the app already got downloaded to your Fire TV stick, but then we also have to install it. So click install, and now the app will finish installing on your Fire TV stick. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead click on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much free space available anyway. And now if you go back to the list of apps on your device, you open it, and here's the app that we just downloaded. So now first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. And that was the first app we got for you, but it is not the last one, so we head straight back into downloader, click on home again. Now we'll use another code to get another app for you. So the second code will be 456576. So once again, it's 456576. That's the code we're using. Click on go, and now we shall start the download of the second app. And there you go, the download of the second app has started for us. Then I click install, and now the app number 2 is installed as well. Of course, as always, click on done and delete unnecessary files from your device. And now when you go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick again, you open it and there is the another app we got for you. So put it up front as well, and today you got 2 amazing spicy apps for your Fire TV stick. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.